Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's subject is food chemistry and chapter is carbohydrates. I am Srijita Ghosh and I am your tutor for today's lecture. So let's start. Carbohydrates has got a general formula of CH2O and simple carbohydrate it has monosaccharides which means single sugar is present, disaccharide which means double sugars. Complex carbohydrate has polysaccharides, which means many sugars. Simple carbohydrate has monosaccharide, has a formula of C6H12O6, which is of glucose, and there is fructose and galactose in the range of monosaccharides. Glucose, dextrose or blood sugar, primary fuel for the body, found in all disaccharides and polysaccharides. Fructose is found in fruit sugar, found in fruit, honey, syrup. It converts to glucose in the body. Galactose, it is a part of lactose. It is found in milk and converts to glucose in the body. Simple carbohydrates, disaccharides. It has maltose, sucrose and lactose. Sucrose is also a stable sugar which is a disaccharide and mixture of two monosaccharide glucose and fructose. Refined from sugar beets and cane. Lactose is milk sugar which is formed of glucose plus galactose. Lactose intolerance, missing digestive enzyme needed to split into two monosaccharide parts to absorb it. Maltose is also a small sugar. It is formed by two molecules of glucose, found in germinating seeds and used in fermentation to produce malted beverages like beer and whiskey. Complex carbohydrate, it has got polysaccharides like glycogen, starches and fibers. Glycogen has long chains of glucose found in animals, stored in liver and muscles, helps maintain blood glucose, an important source of quick energy, especially during exercise. Lasts only about 12 hours. Starch, it is a long chain of glucose found in plants, cereal grains, wheat, rice, corn, etc., legumes, beans and peas, and root vegetables, potatoes and yams. Fibers, mostly indigestible CHO found in gums, mucilages and lignin. Component of plant cell walls, classified according to solubility in water, abundant in whole grains, legumes, fruits and vegetables. Fibers, there is insoluble fiber and soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber are non-viscous, cellulose and lignins are there. Soluble, viscous and fermentable, pectins, gums and mucilages. Digestion, mouth, salivary amylase, stomach, fibers and satiety, small intestine, maltase, sucrase and lactase. Pancreas has pancreatic amylase, large intestine, fermentation of viscous fibers, water, gas, short chain fatty acid production. So in this slide we can see how carbohydrate digestion takes place in the GI tract. This side is for starch and this is for fiber. Like digestion and breaking of starch starts from mouth and salivary glands, then it goes to the stomach and then to small intestine and pancreas. In case of fiber, it also starts from mouth, then goes to stomach and small intestine and then large intestine. Metabolism. Glucose in the body used for energy fuels most of the body cells, stored as glycogen 1 by 3 in the liver and 2 by 3 in muscles, made from protein which is also known as gluconeogenesis and then converted to fat when in excess of body's need. This is glycemic index, low to high. We can see peanuts are with the lowest glycemic index and white bread has the highest glycemic index. Soluble fibers, lower blood cholesterol by binding dietary cholesterol so less absorbed, slow glucose absorption, slow transit of food through upper GI tract, holds moisture in stools, softening them, lower the risk of heart disease and lower the risk of diabetes. Soluble fibers, gums and mucilages, pectins and psyllium. Sources are whole grains, fruits, legumes, seeds and husks, and vegetables, extracted and used as food additive. Insoluble fibers increases the fecal weight, helps form soft, bulky stools which improves the GI motility and reduces the risk of constipation, hemorrhoids, diverticulosis and colon cancer also. Speed the fecal passage through colon, provide bulk and feelings of fullness, which is the satiety. Insoluble fiber, cellulose, lignins, hemicelluloses, sources, brown rice, fruits, legumes, seeds, vegetables, wheat bran, whole grains. Extracted and used as food additives. Recommended intakes of carbohydrates and fibers. RDA for carbohydrate 130 gram per day, 45% 65% total daily energy intake with emphasis on complex. Daily value is 300 gram per day. Fiber is daily value 25 gram per day. AI is 14 gram per 1000 kilocalorie per day. Dietary recommendation example if 2000 kilocalorie diet, then 1100 1200 kilocalories as carbohydrate source CHO, 275 to 300 grams with less than 200 kilocalories as added sugar. 112 all soft drink has 36 to 40 grams sugar. 1 tablespoon sugar weighs 4 grams, that is 9 to 10 teaspoons. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and please share with your friends. Thank you once again.